Hello and welcome to Textiles. I'm your instructor, Professor Benson, and this is a quick welcome video to give you a tour about our classroom. For this class, we are using Canvas. So when you log in, you'll probably be brought to your dashboard and you should see FDM104 on your dashboard. If you don't see it for some reason, you can always go over here to Courses and go to All Courses and look it up, and I have too many classes, so ignore my role. And there it is, FDM104. I have a star by it, which is what puts it on that dashboard. So if your star is empty, just click it one time, it'll make it orange. Then that way, when you go to dashboard and every time you log in, you'll see it on your opening page. So go ahead and click it, and that opens up our class shell. This class, we work in modules. We have 16 modules to cover. So the way that I navigate is through the modules. So I just click over here on the left, and it starts with just basic course information, which I'll go over with you right now. But then it moves on to Module 1, and all of this will be due during this first week. And then next week we'll do Module 2, and then Module 3, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, all the way to 16. So to really stay organized in this class, go to Modules, and just make sure you complete each of these links, and you'll do great, I believe. Okay, so let's go over the syllabus. Some things you need to know about this class. This particular class, we're sharing this shell. Half of the students are 100% online. The other half are hybrid. So my hybrid students, you are still working online for half of the course, but we also meet as well in the classroom on Tuesday mornings, 8 a.m. So if there's any students in the online section that is struggling, I welcome you to come Tuesday, 8 in the morning. I know probably the reason you're taking it online is maybe you live far away or maybe you work and you can't come, but that is an option as well. Also, if you have any questions or struggling at all, please reach out to me. I recommend posting, we have a discussion board. Actually, I'm kind of jumping. Going to go back to modules, and under course information we have a general course questions link. You can put your questions here, because if you have a question, I bet other students have that same question too. So post it here, and students, feel free to answer if you know it, or just contribute, or if you have other questions, expand upon, go ahead. And then I love answering questions here, and I love when students answer them as well. That way the whole class can see it as well. Also, online students, if you can't, come to my office hours or see me in person, still send me your questions, and sometimes I'll send you a video back trying to help you answer. And we can also always set up a time to Skype or FaceTime or Google Hangout, whatever. I'm open to that too. So yeah. Okay, let's go back to our syllabus. Okay, so there is a textbook for this class. It is required. We read it every week, and we take quizzes on it as well. So you want to make sure you have access to this book. I did put one in the library at the reserves desk, so you can check it out for 2 hours. So 2 hours to me seems like more than enough time to read one chapter, and then you can take the quiz. The quizzes are meant as a learning tool. I know when I was a student, I would study for tests, and then I would take a test, and I would always look at the questions I got wrong and figure out why I got them wrong. And then I felt like I learned so much after the fact that I felt like it was unfair that this test said I got lower grade than I did, because really now I know that information, so I should get credit for knowing it. So I like to let you guys have the quizzes just as a learning tool. Take them, see what you get wrong, figure out why, and then take it again, obviously, till you get 100 points. You don't have to worry about your grade, but I think they're a great tool to learn as well. So make sure you get that textbook. It is important. Let's see here. There'll be quizzes, again, I kind of talked about that. There will be a final exam and a midterm exam that you will only take one time. They are open notes though, open book, so, but you get one shot at that. We'll be doing a lot of lab assignments, and then we'll also be doing some fabric projects as well in this class, and that's what makes up your grade. And then down here it has due dates for all the different assignments, but I like to unlock them week by week, so you won't be able to click into the Chapter 5 quiz right now. I don't think you will. Oh, maybe I can because I'm the teacher, sorry. But anyways, yeah, so that's our syllabus. Yeah, but that's really it. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to post them on the discussion board. You can always send me an email as well. And I look forward to working with you this semester. Bye.